kind of weird, like, skip through, but I'm having one of those mental OCD breakdowns I get when I get indecisive about my room, because for literally the past 2 years, I have not been able to settle on things for my room. So we're just gonna wash my face, get ready for bed, and then we'll figure out stuff after that. But I really just need to calm down here because I'm getting all, and first of all, why is the fan on? The fan's on. I can't even see you guys if the camera's not working right, because like I can't even film a video. Wait a second. Is that a little bit better? Actually, yeah, that is better. Okay, so first of all, let's ask for sponsorship here. I use CeraVe, developed with CeraVe, it's new apparently, acne foaming cream cleanser, 4% benzoyl peroxide acne treatment. Clears acne pimples and blackheads, helps prevent new acne, and allows skin to heal. Maintains the skin barrier and leaves skin feeling comfortable with 3 essential ceramides. I hope I'm saying that right. Hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. 4% benzoyl peroxide. So, all you have to do is, like, it's really easy, and I had, like, a lot of acne. Well, I didn't have too much acne. I kind of nipped it in the butt really quick, but I had, like, acne, as you would assume, and then I asked my mom, like, what should I use for a face wash, and she bought me this, and it's lasted for a really long time, and it took a little while. It took like about a month for it to start working, but all of a sudden my face cleared up. It's been clear ever since. Every time I see like a little bit of like a pimple coming in, I just use number 3 Proactive, which I think is over here. Unless it's not. It's down here. It's probably down here somewhere. Yeah, it's right here. So, we have Proactive as well, and this number 3 repairing treatment works great when you want to get rid of pimples. Also, the camera, I'm literally gonna break the camera. So, why don't we? I'm like all crazy right now. So, I always use hot water first because I don't know why I hate to use hot water first. Better for your skin, apparently. That's what my sister told me, and I just listened to her because I know what she's doing, because she used to have really, really bad acne. And then she was like, I don't want to do this anymore. So she was like, why don't I just nip my acne in the butt with 10% benzoyl peroxide? She literally uses a face wash with 10% benzoyl peroxide. That's crazy. Do you know how dry that would make your skin? That would make your skin so dry. Oh my god. I'm still off my rocker right now. Like, I don't know why my room makes me so crazy, but it does. I need to start decorating it. I don't know. Okay, so this is obviously newer because we like get monthly orders or something from Proactive, and they just like start delivering us stuff, so now I'm struggling to open this. It's probably gonna take me 4 minutes. Actually, that was actually kind of easy. Okay, so I need to use it today. I usually don't have to, but I was lucky and I was blessed with nice baby skin, because for some reason my whole life I've had the same skin. No, what? Why did it just grow more? What? Ew! How old is this? Is this like older? Expiration date 10/18. I need to go ask my parents what that means, because it could mean 2018. I really intended this video to be a cleaning video and like another one of those videos, because I know a lot of you guys like it, but I ended up just making this video like a nighttime routine video. So, okay. I'm out of breath because I literally, I have no like, I literally just walked up the stairs and I already am out of breath. But Proactive, number 3. Need to use it on my face today because I've been in the sun for like 4 days straight, just laying in the sun like a piece of bacon. Is this one also expired? This is 2019. You know what? I really don't care. It's been working. I mean, it's been working really well. So you put it on your face. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. This is expired May 2019. And it is June, almost July 2020. And I'm putting this on my face. I mean, it's been working, so I don't know. There's no like, okay, you wanna know what's weird? I'm filming on this camera and I'm also looking in the mirror. So when I look at the mirror, it's like, and like the camera's kind of delayed, so it's like a trip for me. But yeah, that's how I wash my face. Sometimes I'll wash my hair, like I'll just dunk my head in the sink and wash my hair, but I'm not doing that today because I don't need to. And I might rearrange my room. I'm on the fence right now. So this is how you brush your teeth. You just do it, and you do it twice a day. That's how you brush your teeth. So I went camping and I tried vlogging, but then I just was too lazy and I just wanted to sit my butt in the sand for like 12 hours a day. So I did that for 4 days and now I'm
blacker than ever.
But I'm trying to floss right now because I had crap in my teeth because we ate pizza today. Because today's Father's Day. We ate pizza and it was good pizza. I gotta say, we got it from Uno's, and we never get pizza from Uno's. Uno's is really good. I have like, so I'm at home now. I just got home a few hours ago, but our camp is like up north New Hampshire, so it's like an hour and a half away, and we didn't eat at Uno's, we got takeout, and my dad got like a whole deep dish pizza for himself, and then the 4 other people, like the rest of us, got pepperoni pizza. It was really good. It was like really small pieces, but it was really good. Also, my sister got me a job today, so that's kind of cool. I'm going in Tuesdays and Thursdays, I think. I'm working. So I'm probably not gonna post as many YouTube videos. I'm sorry if that was gross. I'll blur it out for y'all. But also, I've been speaking kind of in a country accent lately because I've been watching this show. It's not new. It's called Sweet Home Sextuplets, and it's like about this woman who has 6 babies at the same time. And it's like crazy because like, how do you do that? So now that my face is dry, oh yeah, and the woman lives in Alabama. But now that my face is dry, I usually will use face moisturizer, but I usually take either one of my sisters or my mom's. My mom's downstairs watching TV, and my sister is gone right now, but my other sister's in the room, so it'd be weird if I just like walked in. So I'm probably not gonna moisturize my face. I don't know if I'm gonna repair my room, but I don't know what I should do. So I'll show you guys what I think I wanna do. I literally think I'm gonna move it back.
My heart is sad and lonely. Yo. I have for I have I have